I'm too demanding when I hit a double coat the candy. I'm so high, no landing. Keeping that clock just steady. Working this shit confetti. They all let it go with the telly. They all wanna roll my belly. I got my dogs out on puppet at the reefs. I got them coming in. Shit look like a blitz. She wanna check me up. She wanna check my feet. I pull up the Maybach, jumping, shaking, check my I don't know why they don't understand me. I guess I'm doing the bending. I guess I keep my candy. She's super sober when the beach is sandy. I got it in Yoko, don't be ready. Diamonds in Marcella.
Yo, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of the Indiana Diaries. It's been a minute. I think I've left you guys hanging for a good 2 months now, which is my bad, but we got a lot of catching up to do. I guess I can explain just a little bit in detail where I've been for the last couple of months. And let's keep one thing in mind. I don't want to make a habit of this. I don't want to just disappear on you guys and then just come back and make a video explaining where I've been, because I feel like that's a common theme. At least that's on my channel, and I don't want to have that. So I want to make an effort to make this be the last time. Nonetheless, where I've been is probably starting around the beginning of June. Started running into a couple of personal issues, like wifey, she got a little sick and we had to basically get her in the hospital and get her checked out for certain things, so I've been kind of dealing with that. At the same time, I was focused on trying to do some last minute traveling to Texas, and although I did collect some footage, I did plan on doing a vlog so I can have something for you guys during the month of July and kind of going forward. But as I was traveling, my camera, or the lens on my old camera, did get damaged and I couldn't record at a certain focal length, and it was messing up my entire process. And on top of that, you know, me and wifey kept taking turns with getting sick, being ill and stuff like that. So that whole entire thing, not only that, I was dealing with an issue with a brand not paying me on time. So with all that stacked on top of me, I just pretty much shut down and my creative drive was just at a standstill. But eventually things started to fall into place. God came through and I started to get back on my grind in terms of getting some videos out, working on some brand deals, and now we are back in the routine of things. Hence why you guys are seeing this video. If you guys haven't noticed already, we're looking a little bit better. You know, we're on a new camera, made the switch from Canon to Sony. If you guys want to know what I'm filming on and what I'm working with now in terms of the vlog and my other pieces of content, I'll have a list in the description of everything that I'm using so that you guys can see it as a reference in case you want to pick it up for yourselves. For today, I am going to be filming some more content, get some back to school things going, and then I think I'm gonna sit down with wifey and we're gonna get back on track in terms of our meal plan so we can, you know, start eating right, you know, stop eating out as much, and, you know, get some things back on track. When it comes to the fitness and things like that, I'm going to take a little bit more time for myself and with wifey to kind of, you know, get ourselves back into a routine, and then I'll come back to you guys on more details on how my progression is doing and how I'm bouncing back, and yeah, we'll just go from there. Also need to get a haircut too, but you guys will see that. Like I said, I'm carrying with you guys over the next few days, so yeah, man, it's good to be back.
When it comes to doggo, money not a problem. Turn me to a killer, I just smashed the model. Yeah. Tiffany come blue, her pussy good and pink. Pink Chicago in the winter time, I'm ordering minks. The mink selling out arenas, I just work the streets. The streets.
So some of y'all might remember how I was talking about we are in the process of looking for a new gym because we weren't really vibing with LA Fitness like that. So I just now found a gym that might work out for us. I just temporarily signed up for like a month's worth for me and wifey, so I'm about to go check it out right now. They're not too keen on cameras, so I want to build a little bit of rapport, and I think I have to like ask the manager or the owner of the gym if I can bring my camera up in there. But I want to build some rapport before I start bringing y'all with me and you know start filming workouts and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm gonna check it out. It seems cool when I checked that out online. I'm about to go up in there now and just kind of introduce myself and kind of see how that's going. Afterwards, I'm gonna be chilling out. I might take y'all with me by doing some like a little bit of like research and stuff like that. I like to like get out now and like whenever like wifey's at work or like I have not that much filming to do at the crib, and start just being out of the office so I can get more comfortable with the camera and stuff like that, and so that I can like get in a better mind space when it comes to being focused on my work. I don't know, I need a good coffee shop to go to. Maybe that's one thing I need to really invest in the next time that me and Maddie move. I want a good like coffee shop for like me and like a lot of my creator friends can like meet up and like actually do some work in, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm starting to ramble, but yeah, afterwards, after I get done working here, I'll scoop wifey, and then we're gonna head to downtown so I can go get a haircut because your boy is long overdue and I could not get my hair right to where I want it to. So yeah, it's about that time. But yeah, I'll let y'all know how the gym goes, and I'll see y'all later. Peace. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, it's been a busy few days, but let me catch y'all up real quick. So the reason for this big time jump is just more or less me trying to get used to my new routine that I have going on. I feel like for like every vlog, I had this like new routine, this new way I'm trying to do things, but your boy's still trying to figure shit out. So I'm more or less just trying to pick up new and better habits so that my quality of life for now and eventually down the road can just be even better. Because your boy's trying to move. We're trying to move to Cali in a couple of years, and trying to be in close proximity to a lot of things that I know that can open better doors and better opportunities for me and those that are around me. So that's what I'm trying to do right now, just build a good foundation for all that. And overall, I want to get out of this habit of me like saying I'm gonna do something and then it just end up not happening. So when I say I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna actually like get off my ass and do it. For example, today I have a ton of shit on my plate. I gotta work on a couple of emails. I gotta sign a contract for a brand that my manager just hooked me up with. Q4 is going to be pretty fucking insane. I can feel it in my soul, and just the way that he's working, the way that I'm working is going to be a huge turnaround in terms of working with brands and building up those relationships there. I got bills to pay, this is around that time again. I got a couple of errands to run. I need to sell my old camera, this beauty of a camera, the Canon M50. This has been with me since this has been with me since 2020, like right at the height of the pandemic. I copped this, and now it's time to say goodbye to old girl. So I'm gonna detail it and sell it to the camera shop that I've been hooked up with for a little while now. But yeah, man, like I said, I'm just on my shit. I'm ready to go. I'm ready for the future because it's gonna be exciting. I can just envision it now. I'm gonna put it out there like on a post on Threads or something like that, but mark my words, and I'm gonna save this clip too. Mark my words, 2 years from now, I'm gonna be in Cali, on my shit, comes to content creation, attending all these events and stuff like that, crazy brand deals, and having like a dedicated spot where like me, my boy Cam, Rome, where we can just all meet up, just shoot the shit, talk shop, and just kind of, bounce ideas off of each other, create some dope content, attend these events together and stuff like that. And overall, just, be unstoppable just in this realm where we're trying to basically just conquer and divide, you know what I mean? Or divide and conquer, however way the saying is. But y'all get what I'm saying. I'm just ready to get going. You know, I can feel this creative momentum, you know, driving in me. So I'm ready to just get to work, man. But yeah, I appreciate y'all sticking around. If you've been sticking around for all this time, thank you for hanging out with me in this vlogs. I appreciate the hell out of you guys. But yeah, I think that's it. I'll see y'all later.